I remember was Googling best universities in Hungary, and ELTE was one of the best.
Every time that I talk to someone and I say, from which university do I come from, they always say wow, amazing. So I would say that this is the biggest advantage of ELTE, that it has this prestigious role in the society.
Why ELTE? That's a great question.
I did choose ELTE because I thought and I knew that this university provides a lot of opportunities to develop in every field of science, and my family and my parents did also study here.
The thing I considered when applying to ELTE was the fact that the ranking of ELTE is pretty high, and the fact that it's one of the top universities in Hungary.
First of all, it's the biggest public university in Hungary, and it has a great mix of professors who are very experienced in their field. But at the same time, because it's the biggest public university, it is very diverse, and it gives so many networking opportunities, not just through university, but also through many extracurricular activities.
I like ELTE. I like the physical building. I like people here. The fact that there's a lot of international students here, and I feel really accepted. I do feel welcome here because people here are actually nice to me.
I like ELTE because of its diverse and supportive international students community. Here I made a lot of friends, international friends and also Hungarian ones.
I really like ELTE because their student associations are very diverse. There is always an option for you. For example, one of my friends goes to jiu-jitsu classes here.
I think that ELTE is a university that really cares about how students feel in their student life by organizing different clubs. In ELTE, after classes, we have cybersecurity, reading clubs, language clubs, philosophy classes, and so on and so forth. And it doesn't matter from which program you come from, you can always go and join and meet new people. There's some meetups.
Studying at ELTE is an honor because the professors here have all very high qualifications, and many of them have even argued in front of the European Union Court of Justice, which is just such an honor to be able to be taught by them and learn from them.
The teachers were very polite, very open and very friendly.
They are really kind and really professionals in their field. Whether it's any field, any professor that has taught me really understands the knowledge behind it, not just the theory, but they have professional experience, so they can really apply the knowledge that they know.
We have a lot of international teachers who speak very good English, which is very nice.
I think the professors are all really kind, and they really want to make you feel comfortable and welcome in the course, and they also really want to get to know you, so I think that's really nice that they're also interesting in who you are, what you want to learn.
I enjoy my time at ELTE because I met so many new people here, and I think ELTE's environment is very supportive and very vibrant, which makes it more enjoyable and stress-free.
My advice for the freshmen would be to take all the opportunities that ELTE offers, whether it's academic or extracurricular. So you would engage in the clubs and the activities that it gives you, and to engage with your colleagues, your professors, and also to explore the city because it's one of the most beautiful cities in Europe.